Hi, in this video, we'll be going to Ikseondong. Hi, in this video, we'll be going to Ikseondong. This neighborhood is popular among the locals because it is a hipster neighborhood. It's a great way to do some cafe hopping, chillax, and just the vibe there is really very comforting. Just step out of the bus station. So right now, I'll go first to the Seoul restaurant to eat lunch because right now it's around 11:30 a.m. So I think I will not go in during the rush hour of lunch so that there will be less lining in front of the restaurant. So I'm just admiring here some of the sceneries. This is actually close to the Ikseondong Palace. You have more time, then maybe you can go and visit the palace and also in Ikseondong. I think it's this one, the Seoul Hot Rice House. And these are the menu. From what I read, the recommended are the steak pot rice and the sea scallop. Yeah, I think this one. Meron siya 8,500. Akala ko 16,000. So, kung may 8,500, ito yata yung top version. It's 11:30. Actually, it's 11:45 and pang time na ako sa pila. So, I think it's this popular or it's just that the restaurant has a small capacity. We're now inside the Seoul Hot Pot Rice restaurant. I waited in line. I'm the third. I arrived around 11:45 p.m. And I waited for around 20 to 30 minutes before I was able to be seated. Now going to the costume rental shop. So let me show you the alleyways here. This is a pastry shop, bakery, coffee, brunch. Oh, photos. You take pictures. And this is another restaurant. Ikseondong. Donut pinsu. The aesthetic is so cool. a beautiful view upstairs. But I'm not in the mood for risotto. Naligaw tayo. Namali ako ng liko. Napalayo tuloy ako. Pero loob-loob yung nadaanan ko kanina. So where do we go from here? I think tatawid tayo. Then turn left. There are shops here, fashion boutiques. It's located just in front of exit 4 of the Jongno Trisanga station. And you can see this building. And there is the Ikseondong boutique on the 3rd floor. Because you cannot predict how long the processing of the errand in the hospital. I did not make a reservation for a specific time. Hopefully, they can still accommodate walk-in. And here's what it looks like. Luckily, they were able to accommodate me. So here, choose daw a design and then the staff will help you look for your size. In the set, you can have one free accessory or necklace and also one free pin for the clothes and one hat that is included and a handbag. And I super love this look! So I'm getting thirsty already, and I am now here at Cafe Ways because I was not able to go to Cheongsodang. The line is too long, so I don't want to wait anymore because I have a time limit for the 3-hour wear of this costume that I rented in Auction Boutique. But let me show you what the Cafe Highways looks like. The interior of the cafe is very aesthetic. It's very white, bright. These are all their available pastries. And got this one, the number 1 Highways signature scone. Another popular food here is the Snoopy cake, peanut butter. And my order has arrived. Here is my desk and my hat, and then all my things, and this is the bag that is included for free in the costume. That was a very fun experience for me. If everybody knows me, I really like wearing dresses or fashion from unique to a certain country. So I really love this because I was able to experience a little glimpse of fashion in the Joseon dynasty, and when you walk around the Ikseondong, it's like merge of the traditional and the modern times. So that's it. And hope you like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.